In this video, we're going to learn how to add a YouTube video to our loop. Begin by selecting the YouTube icon. Hit the plus button. It will then prompt you to paste a YouTube link here. So let's go over to our tab that has YouTube open. In this case, I want to show a video of this rocket launch. I'll hit the share button and I'll copy my URL. I'll then go back over to Skoop Signage and I'll paste in the URL and I'll title this Rocket Launch. I don't want any subtitles to show up on my screen, so I'm going to leave this toggled off. And I don't want this to play sound because this will be playing on a LED screen. And when I'm completed, I'll go ahead and hit save. We've then created a new playlist item, and all we have to do left is drag it on into our playlist. We'll get our success messages. We can indicate how long we want this one to play for. In this case, the video is a minute long, so I'm going to change this to 60 seconds. And as always, we hit the publish button when we're done.